Okay, so here's your overview for this week. Let's take a look at what's in store for you. On Monday and Tuesday, you'll be typing those paragraphs that you have completed, putting them all together into one composition. So what you'll have is 3 paragraphs. Remember, your essay is a little bit different because you only read one story with Mrs. Eichelman, but you can still practice the essay process because you're going to have an introduction, one body paragraph, which is your pearl paragraph that you wrote about Maya. You were given instructions before you left her class to save that to your portfolio, and you should be able to access it there, and that way you'll know what you wrote and you can retrieve that information. You turned your introduction in to me last week, so you can also get that. Of course, you can make any improvements or any changes to any of the paragraphs, and then of course you have your conclusion, as you see. So you have 3 paragraphs. It's still considered an essay. An essay is just a composition that's put together of multiple paragraphs. It could have 20, it could have 3. It doesn't matter, as long as it has an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, and you do. And so we're just practicing the essay writing and submitting process. So on Monday and Tuesday, I want you to focus on turning in the 3 best paragraphs you can. An introduction with those 3 components that you need, discussing the conflict that Maya faced in the story in your body paragraph with evidence, analysis, and then your conclusion with the 3 components that you need. So there will be a place for you to type and submit in Schoology that you'll see. And you'll notice that there is no picture option for that. So make sure that you are actually typing and follow those instructions. On Wednesday, you'll complete a little anticipation activity, a little activity to get you ready for our next unit. And it's a matching activity in Nearpod. There are 2 different sections of it. One is a preview of what we're going to study this unit. There's some vocabulary, and there are some story titles that you're going to match up with some pictures. And then there's actually just one that's kind of for fun. It's the horror genre in general. And then on Thursday and Friday, you're going to start reading a nonfiction piece about the horror genre. It's called What is the Horror Genre? It's in your online textbook. And there's a worksheet that you'll actually edit right online. You'll type directly into it. There are videos to explain to you how to get to the textbook and also how to edit that online document. So watch those videos for an overview because they'll be very helpful to you. Then please make sure that before the end of the week that you have completed the Reading Plus Insight Assessment. This is for any student who is not currently enrolled in an intensive reading class. If you are not in a reading class, you do need to finish or complete the Reading Plus Insight Assessment. There are PDF instructions attached for you to see how to get in there. Basically, all you have to do is go to your ClassLink tile screen and click on the Reading Plus icon. It does it from there for you. The only thing you need to make sure you have is about 30 minutes of time. It sometimes is a little shorter, sometimes may take a little longer, but if you have approximately 30 minutes of uninterrupted time, that will be plenty for you to complete the Reading Plus Insight Assessment. So please make sure you see me if you have any, you message me if you have any questions.